In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete a note on Substack. If you've ever posted a note and later realized you'd rather take it down, don't worry, this is a quick process once you know where to look. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to substack.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, the one that originally posted the note you want to delete. If you manage more than one publication or have multiple email logins, it's worth double checking that you're in the right place before you continue. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Substack home or dashboard view. Next, look for the activity section. This is usually where Substack shows you recent interactions such as comments, likes, and notes you've posted. Click on activity to open it. Think of this as the hub where you can see what you've done recently on Substack, including the notes that are currently visible to your readers and followers. Once the activity view is open, take a moment to scroll through and find the specific note you want to delete. Notes often appear in a feed, so you may need to move up or down the page a little. When you've located the note, click on it to open it fully. This makes sure you're working with the right piece of content and helps you avoid accidentally deleting the wrong note, especially if you've posted several that look similar. With the note open, look for the three dots icon, often called the More Options menu. This is typically found near the top or in the corner of the note. Click on the three dots. This menu is where Substack groups additional actions that you can take on a note, such as editing or sharing, and in this case, deleting. After you click the three dots, you'll see a small menu appear with a list of options. From that list, click Delete. Substack may ask you to confirm that you really want to delete the note. Since this action usually can't be undone, take a second to confirm that this is definitely the note you want to remove. When you're sure, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Once you've done that, the note will be removed from your activity feed and will no longer be visible to your readers. If you don't see the change right away, try refreshing the page to make sure the interface updates properly. And that's it. You've gone to substack.com, opened your activity, selected the note, used the three dots menu, and chosen delete. Now you know exactly where to go and what to click the next time you need to remove a note from your Substack account.